Today, welcome back to class 7 after 1 week gap. So today 23rd, 5th, 2020, subject Tibetan, class 7. Good morning to my students. I hope you all are doing well in your studies, talking to your parents. So first of all, today, we all are Buddhist. You all are Buddhist. Those who are taking Tibetan, you all are Buddhist. So from today, a very precious month has been started. It comes once a year, every year, 1 month. The name of this month is, as I have taught you last, like class 4, 5, 6 month. The name of this month is Sakadawa. So this Sakadawa month is very precious for us, we being a Buddhist. So, do you know why it is very precious? In this month, the Lord Buddha, he was born in this month. He got enlightenment in this month. He got nirvana, or he got death in this month, in the same month. That's why the name of this month is known as Sakadawa. Not only the same month, all these three things happened on same date. That is on 15th of Tibetan, 4th month of 15th date. We call it Tse Chenga. Tse Chenga. This are from today, if you count from today now, it is only 14 days. On the same date, in the same month, the Lord Buddha, he was born, he got enlightenment, and he got death. That's why this month is known as Sakadawa, and it is very precious month. It comes once a year. So, during this precious month, just I am giving you my suggestion. It is not compulsory that you have to obey my suggestion. You think yourself and you can do whatever you think it is correct. In this month, those are eating meat, please try to control for a month. Be a vegetarian for a month. If you don't take meat, it helps us for others' life, for other living beings. So myself, I used to take meat. Very sorry to tell you that, but I avoid 1 month. This month, I totally avoid eating meat. If we don't take meat, we save many animals' life in 1 month. So, try your best if you can during this Sakadawa 1 month, because it is very precious month. That was just my suggestion. It is not compulsory that you have to avoid eating meat. It depends on you, how you think. Now because you are in class 7, you have grown up. It depends on your thinking. Okay. So now let us come back to our chapter, class 7. So last time we have done grammar section. Okay, Ganga. So today also I will take grammar section. Theta. Okay, today I am not going to explain you, just I am going to tell you to learn that Tsawa, because without learning Tsawa we cannot understand the grammar chapter properly. If you know, unless and until you didn't learn the Tsawa by heart. So today's topic is Theta. Theta. So from the book Lekhe Jenwang, Mingi Tongmi, Theta Ni, Tani Tema, Takwatam, Namdang Shinji, Nila Juk. Only 3 lines are there. Only 3 lines are there. You have to mug up. You have to learn it by heart. So if you learn these words by heart, then it will be very easy for you to understand. Just I open my book and I keep on explaining all these things. It is not only 1.5 pages there, but you cannot understand what does it mean. So today, just I will giving you the work, the home assignment to learn this Tsawa. I will click this and send it to your class teacher in your WhatsApp group. So you can copy. Those who have book, you can do it on the page number 90. It is the page number 90. And those who don't have books, Those who don't have books, okay, you just copy it in your exercise copy and learn by heart. Only 3 words. Lekshechen 1, lay. From the book Lekshechen 1, Mingi Tome, Tedani, Tanye Tema, Tapara, Namdang Shinji, Nila Jokes. You have to read like this. Mingi Tome, Tedani, Mingi Tome, Tedani, Tanye Tema, Tapara, Tanye Tema, Tapara, Namdang Shinji, Nila Jokes. Namdang Shinji, Nila Jokes. Only 3 lines are there. So you please learn by heart. Then next class I will explain you. Without this Sawa, if I explain you, it doesn't help you. After this grammar section, definitely I will take you to the literature, because I think you are feeling bored with all this grammar. Because we have to go through both the grammar section 1 chapter and literature 1, grammar 1 and literature 1, as I was doing in my class last time. No, last year the same thing. I have to repeat it again. The style of my teaching is like that. 1 chapter I will take grammar and 1 chapter I will take literature. Okay, so that you won't feel bored. Only the grammar. I know that when I was a student, even I feel bored already teaching grammar. Okay, so what to do? The grammar is very important. So that's why in this lockdown time in online, we have to learn only grammar, because once a week only I'm getting my subjects to come in online. That also, look, today I cannot teach you more, just for 2-3 minutes, just to give you this Sawa only, just to tell you to learn this Sawa. Okay, so only this much for today. Learn this Sawa by heart. Okay, so then as I was telling you about Sakatawa, I have explained what does it Sakatawa. Actually, in this Sakatawa there are 5 main points. Okay, 5 main points. I think you know that. I taught you every year. I am telling you the 5 main things, but the main thing is only these 3 points. He was born on the same day, he got enlightenment on the same day, and he got expired. He got death. Who? Our Lord Buddha. Death on the same day. That is why it is very precious. That's why we have to avoid eating meat. If you don't eat meat, we used to save many lives of animals. That's why it is known as dharma. That is why it is known as dharma. Okay? It is not compulsory that you have to do that. It is a suggestion from my side. You can think yourself and you can take your decision. And you can talk to your parents and take the decision. Okay? Till then, stay home safe. Obey to your parents. Always keep in touch with your books. Don't waste your time. Thank you.